Hello, my name is Sadie Hinz, and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador from Ellis County District 8. Today I'll be talking to you about healthy substitutes that you can use in your baking. To start off, there is a simple one where you would just use a third less sugar in all your recipes. So for example, if it calls for a full cup of sugar, you can use 2/3 instead. Another simple one is you can reduce your salt by just using half as less salt, or if you don't think the recipe needs it, you can omit the salt altogether. Another little helpful thing that you can do that starts off whenever you buy your products at the grocery store is for products like sour cream, yogurt, or anything like that, you can just decide to buy the light or the reduced fat instead of just the regular sour cream. Some things that I use on a daily basis is I drink 1% milk instead of whole milk. I always eat 100% whole wheat bread instead of white bread. I use olive oil instead of butter to make my grilled cheese. And I eat whole wheat spaghetti noodles when I eat spaghetti. These are all from Recipes for Good Health on the 4-H website. There's many more examples on how to use healthier substitutes. If you need some more guidance or none of these are in your recipe, I'm sure there's always a healthier substitute for almost everything of your ingredients. And so I hope you keep these in mind whenever you are competing at the District Food Show and Food Challenge. Thank you.